A case that has had the nation appalled and hooked at the same time. In Noida, Sector 150, a 27-year-old software engineer, Yuvraj Mehta, died after his car fell into an unbarricaded, water-filled construction pit. This was not just a tragic accident. Under Indian law, this was a chain of statutory failures. This single incident exposes the criminal liability for builders and the regulatory failure by government agencies. Indian law places primary responsibility squarely on the builder. Under the Building and Other Construction Workers Act of 1996, Sections 39, 40 and 45 mandate fencing, barricading, lighting and warning signage at hazardous construction sites. This duty of care is non-delegable. This means it cannot be passed on to the subcontractors or authorities. Crucially, the Act protects not just workers but persons other than the workmen, meaning the general public. Violations attract criminal punishment, including imprisonment under Sections 47 to 50 of the Act. And because this failure resulted in death, criminal law also applies. An FIR has been filed in this case under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Section 105 for culpable homicide not amounting to murder, Section 1061 for causing death by rash or negligent conduct, and Section 125 for acts endangering human life. A deep, water-filled pit beside a public road is an obvious and preventable danger. But it is not just the builders with legal duties. The Noida authority was responsible for monitoring the site, enforcing safety conditions, and acting against the stalled project. A failure to act despite visible danger can attract departmental action, criminal inquiry, and constitutional liability. Courts have repeatedly held that regulatory inaction does not absolve the state when lives are lost. The National Green Tribunal has also taken suo motu cognizance of this incident, noting that the pit had become a permanent water body due to unchecked rainwater and sewage. A stormwater regulator had been proposed as far back as 2015 by the Irrigation Department. Funds were sanctioned but nothing implemented. This land, by the way, also forms part of what the Allahabad High Court in 2021 described as a 9,000 crore scam involving builders and Noida officials. A CBI probe was ordered, but stalled projects were left unsecured. Legally speaking, the position is clear. This case, viewers, is not just about negligence. It's about laws meant to protect being ignored till a life was lost.
More.